Hi, I am Chandra Kumar. Currently, I am pursuing B Agriculture Engineering at SNS College of Technology. Today, I am share about my CLT video in the topic of artificial intelligence for combine harvester. Introduction. In 1826 in Scotland, the inventor Reverend Patrick Bell designed a reaper machine which used the scissor principle of plant cutting, a principle that is still used today. The Bell machine was pushed by horse. A few Bell machines were available in the United States. In 1835, in the US, Hiram Moore built a patent the first combine harvester which was capable of reaping, threshing, and winnowing cereals grains. Early versions were pulled by horse, mule, or ox teams. In 1835, Moore built a full-scale version with a length of 5.2 meter 17 feet at a cut width of 4.57 meter 15 feet by 1839. Over 20 hectare, up to approximately 50 acres of crops were harvested. In this combine harvester was pulled by 20 horse fully handled by farmlands. By 1860, combine harvester with a cutting or swath with a several meters were used on American farms. Then problem statement. The problem statements are the constraint in harvesting maize specifically due to its height motivated Goodrich to innovated a new combine harvester. Earlier farmers turned to combine harvester using cutter boards as an alternative solution to harvest the crop. Goodrich worked on the limitation of the existing models and came up with a modular design that could retrofit the real type cutting unit for maize onto the combine harvester. He had working on the model since 2000 and finally 13 years later in 2013 he tasted a success. He was able to manufacture a locally developed maize cutting unit that could be mounted on any combine harvester. Then empathy. Combine harvester are regarded as the synonym of modern agriculture. It is not only transforms the manual farming task into a more industrial procedure but also offers top-notch efficiency to farmers. That is why I dedicated this whole articles to cover everything there is to know about combine harvester. Fundamental information about combine harvesters, definition, classification, working process structure. Most up to date data about combine harvester market in Vietnam, India and Vietnam. Definition of combine harvester. The modern combine harvester or simply combine is a versatile machine designed to efficiently harvest a variety of grains. The name derives from its combining four separate harvest operations: reaping, threshing, gathering, and winnowing into a single process. Among the crops harvested with a combine are wheat, rice, oats, rye, barley, corn, maize, sorghum, soybeans, flax, linseed, sunflower or rapeseed. The separated straw left lying on the field comprises the stems and any remaining leaves of the crops with a limited nutrients left in it. Then objectives of combine harvester. The combine harvester or simply combine, also known as a thresher is a machine that combines the task of harvesting, threshing, cleaning grain crops. The objectives is the harvest the waste straw left behind on the field is the remaining dried stems and leaves of the crop with limited nutrients, which is either chopped and spread on the field or baled for feed and bedding for like livestock crop. Example corn, soybeans, flax, oats, wheat, rye, among others. The waste stocks left behind on the field is the remaining dried stems and leaves of the crop with limited nutrients, which either chopped and spread on the field or baled for feed and bedding for livestock. Artificial intelligence for harvester. Artificial intelligence can help farmers to plan and manage their work better so that they are relieved of routine tasks. In future, for example, large machines such as tractors could drive automatically across the field, or combine harvesters equipped with cameras automatically detected the quality of the harvest and use the data to change the setting in the harvest process. These are two examples on Professor Marcus Pauli from TU Dormant University is working together with other project partner Class E System, GmbH, Zug, the German Research Center of Artificial Intelligence and the University of Osnabrück. The project began on 1 Jan 2021, will run for 3 years. In future, large machines such as tractors could drive automatically over the field, or combine harvester automatically recognize the quality of harvest. Definitions of uh, combine harvesters using artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence methods and technologies can significantly improve numerous process. Success story from logistics, medicine and gaming and testimony on this. Within the Reskill project, resource efficient AI for embedded system in agriculture machinery, which is begin funded by the Federal Minister of Food and Agriculture, around 1.5 million euro. A consortium for agriculture engineering, software development and research is now transferring this basic technology to agriculture machinery. Advantage: a combine harvester reduces grain loss when compared to manual harvesting. Combine harvester machine is capable for harvesting and threshing 1 acre of acreage in just 1 hour. The combine harvester provide cleaner grain than the manual process, for the which is market also willing to pay better price. Disadvantages: there are also some disadvantages to energy harvesting. For example, the cost of an energy harvester can be high when compared with the overall cost of wireless sensor. Another con is that is not always easy to have small converter. Thank you.